Hi guys, so guys, you remember the routine video? I'm gonna show you. I deleted. Oh, guys, I deleted everything. Deleted every single thing. My hair is wet. It's very wet because I just showed. Let's see. What else? So guys, our bench is ready. I think it's on Sunday or Monday. So guys, make sure you stay tuned. Okay guys, so never mind. And this video is gonna just in 1 minute 58 59. Bye.